So I'm gonna give you guys an option before I give you guys the just straight transparent tutorial for people that really suck or not good with computers. This video will be for you and for the people that just want to stream in general. So there's OBS Studio. If your computer isn't the best, run this one. But if you have a decent computer, run Streamlabs. Yes. And it's like this. And go download their version of OBS. But this is probably the best. It's simple. And there's a lot of stuff for it. So you guys just want to run this. I'm going to make this all in one. No need to edit, cut this. Why, things are just going. You guys can just follow along. But as you guys see, I'm using Streamlabs. It's all the same, pretty much. It just, with Streamlabs, you get the more features that makes your CPU. If you don't have a good CPU, you're fucked. You feel me? You're fucked. So if you want to stream and you don't have a best, StreamElement is also a good one. Zoe, go lay down. Go lay down. Go lay down. Go. Alright. So yeah, damn. It's because OBS Studio is part of Streamlabs, so just next, and run that. And that's how you guys do this, okay? All the links will be in the description. Next step is gonna be like the settings. So let me drag this over. So as you guys can see, I'm recording. Now, my best advice for y'all is to figure it out, right? These are all simple things. So if you're streaming on Twitch, you just need to go to the settings and do that. That's just a whole different part. It's easy settings. If you guys want me to make another video on that, on a certain thing like Twitch, Kick, or whatever, I can do that. You just need to find the stream code. You guys have to log in on Twitch or whatever, and then go to the streaming settings and find the stream key. Stream key. That's it. Output. Use anything. If you have a good GPU, use that. If you have a good AMD card, use that. But if you don't, just use the CPU. And honestly, you don't have to run it the best. You guys can just copy my settings. These are pretty, if you have a different encoder, it's fine. If your internet 2500 is cool, but 3500 is probably better. 3500 if you do got higher internet. I do a lot of stuff, so 2500 works for me. I could bump it up to 3500. And recording, you want to make sure you have MP4. Most important part is to scale it down to 1070. It's probably way better, and it's gonna be a lot more smoother for most people. But if you guys can do 1080, do 1080. If you guys are having issues, enable all of these right here. So if your internet drops, it's just gonna drop for a bit and fix it. And if your PC is having issues, turn this off. I keep it on because my PC can handle it. Audio, you guys want to click your mic for the one, and then your desktop audio, and then you want to make sure this is the highest. This is gonna get your better audio. This is what I should have been did already. I was using OBS Studio, but then I updated it and it had a bug, so I just switched to Streamlabs. I usually use OBS Studio, by the way. Any questions? So the issue that I feel like everyone's gonna have is the stream key one, and I'm sorry that I just didn't go the extra step and show y'all, because I feel like that's probably the most important part that I should have shown. But I feel like y'all can figure it out. It's in your streaming key settings, stream key. I'm sure if you look and read everything, you'll find it. I believe in y'all. Go check out my other videos, and yeah. Thank you.